Hello, I'm Ryan, and we're going to be painting on a printed canvas. Here's my inspiration, keep this in mind, and we're going to be jumping right into it. Now I need to show you something. So I bought a black paint on Amazon, and I wanted a green version. And what is this? That makes no sense. Why does it have packaging like an applesauce? Okay, here's me doing a sketch for me, and then I'm done. You can't see it, but I can. Don't worry, you will. I'm going to be adding paint, white paint, to cover up the lettering, and so I can add less coats, and you can see my design better. Now, while I'm doing this, I'm going to tell you, painting on an already printed canvas is a great way to reuse your printed canvas. I really enjoyed the final product, and I hope you guys too. And honestly, it just adds a new look, and it's honestly really cool to have the words in the background. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. I'm going to do one more coat. Okay, I'm back with the second coat. Let's bust out the go-go squeeze. Look at that. Wow. Okay, get some black. We're basically just making a dark green color. Here's the first color being added to the canvas. Wow. Now, these flowers turned out really bad in the beginning. So I decided to move on to the other flower and fix the other one later. Honestly, this one didn't turn out very good either. So I thought to fix it, to add more color, which that is wrong. And then added a tons of whites. Just made it all muted and weird, and no, it was not okay. So I went back to the drawing board, and I have come back with a new plan and work on the third flower and see if my plan is going to work. Finally, after the third time, I finally figured it out. Well, it's now time to fix the others. Okay, this is the finished product. I really had a good time with this. I do recommend painting on one of your old printed canvases. It's really fun, and I think it turned out really nice and actually a really cool way to make art. Thank you for watching my video and staying to the end. Bye!